There he is. Man, he was slow.
That looks like a brown.
No, I think it's a rainbow. He was slow. Real slow.
That's a rainbow.
Finally one in the net. All right, Bubba. Oh, man. That old water is cool. There he is. He was in there. Old rainbow. Nice little fish. I'm sure probably stocked by Jimmy recently.
Rainbow?
Yeah. Probably it's the one they stocked. There's another one.
Over in that slow water?
Yeah.
Where'd that last one hit?
The olive.
Oh, olive corn?
Yep. This one here took the pink one. I don't know what they want. Come on now. Flipped around here. So I can show it to you. Show the camera here. Huh, it's got another bite. That didn't bite like a trout though. I don't know what that was. The little guy.
You done found you a nest of them there.
Yeah. I don't know what, he's just a little fella.
That might be another little brook trout.
It could be if they put him in here. He is. It is.
Yeah.
Huh. Yeah.
As soon as you get a little tension off of them, they can fall out.
Which is good.
Yeah, which is good, especially catch and release stuff.
Yeah, I like it.
Yeah, if you're gonna catch and release it.
There, a little old brook.
You might lose a fish.
Pretty guy.
In there, but,
I hope I got him. I was gonna say, I hope I got that brook trout you caught. I might. Just I didn't take time to look through it. Rainbow?
it's a brook.
Is it brookie? All right. They must have thrown a net of them in here. Good deal. They fell in the net. Yeah. All right. Brookie too, probably. think it's deep, good ways over there.
Yeah, it must be because
Up, one come up,
I
took
seen it come up there.
took something.
Yep.
So
I
he
seen a little old bug flying around there a minute ago. Dang, it was little.
he's in that
Right in
swifter water.
Yep. That's where he is right there.
Yeah, there he is. He's a fighting too, man.
You know, when brook trout, they fight. They fight harder than rainbows do. No, I believe that's rainbow.
He is a rainbow, yep. He's a little one. Little old rain. No.
Come here, Junior. I'm liking that little pink bug.
Yep.
He's a little one. Alright, get out of there. Come on.
Those two colors are hot. They like them.
Yeah, I don't know what size hook that's on. 16 or 18.
I'd say, yeah, either one.
16 or 18, I think.
Yeah.
I seen another one come up. You just got another. And I seen one come up right over yonder.
And I floated through there 2 times before I hooked that thing.
Oh yeah, sometimes you just gotta get it right in your nose. A little bit better one there.
That is a rainbow there.
Yeah, I didn't even know they'd even thought about stalking it down here yet. And you said, when I stalked them down, here's gone.
It's hard to believe. Like you said, it's hard to believe.
I mean, we went over that one time, 350 Blackwater side. I think you
There you was.
You know there had to be one in there.
Yep.
You know there had to be one. There had to be one.
Little guy. Another one compliments of Jimmy.
Yeah.
Compliments of Jimmy.
I guess he's going to try to get old. Man, he's 75 years old. Why the hell don't he just go live on his boat?
Right.
He's going to try to run for president, as we do.
Yeah. That's scary too.
Well, he's
Joe Manchin.
the liberal, the progressive type, whatever the hell you call him. Time in on another piece.
Look at that. I'll get out of here and let you get in there.
That's all right. Hell, I don't care.
That's a rainbow, I think.
Yeah,
He's
probably.
putting on an aerial show here for us.
That'd be good to get on camera.
Yeah, yeah. Come on, one more. You got one more in you. Come on, one more. There you go. Yeah. Do like Curtis. There you go. Get my hand out of the way. They're over there in that little deeper water over there. He's a fun one to catch. There he is. Nice rainbow.
Yeah, good. I figured there had to be one up there somewhere.
Right between them two rocks sticking out of the water. They don't get off.
I figured he'd be.
Boy, they really act different when this water cools down, don't they?
Yeah, he did.
Oh, fooled around with him to come off.
Get off.
Come down here and get Dougie. That's a rainbow jumper. I got another kinked up mess. Come down here and get your fish, and then I gotta unravel a mess. All right, pretty fish. Real pretty fish. Looks like it's clouded over or something. Yeah. There's another.
I think that's a little brook trout. I think he got off.
Did he?
Nah, he's still there.
He's still there.
So that's another little brook trout. Right around here. Yeah, he's got some energy. Come here, buddy.
Yep. For them little hooks, sometimes they'll come out. But sometimes it's hard to get them out.
Getting that bone and
Yeah.
I mean, that one day we was here, there was 5 or 6 or 5 cars up there, maybe, but I never did see anybody on the creek.
No, we didn't. Unless they all was up the creek.
Man, must have went up the creek.
I have no idea. There's one on the Euro. Nope. Nice one. Pretty good. Old rainbow. Mess around here and they can get off. Biggest one of the day. My biggest one.
Tooth mark on him?
Yeah, right there, it's clamped down on his head.
Yeah.
Huh. Did you get a bite? Turn your back, Bubba. Pretty in the sun. Nice fish. Nope. Got hung up down there, lost my tippet and everything. Lost half of my cider too. So that's indication it's time to quit.